Yikes! That's one big donut! And it's headed for the Ruff pack! That's the hideout!
Hey in there! Are you guys okay?
Okay? No, we're not okay, okay? We're trapped behind a giant donut. Things couldn't possibly be worse. Things could be worse. See?
That doesn't sound good. No, it sounds like the donut machine is in real trouble.
Don't forget about us.
We've got to turn it off fast. But how? The only way up there is through that little donut hole.
It would take one awesome jump to get through there.
Did you say awesome jump or colossum jump?
Go for it, Wildcat!
You can do this. It's just a mouse. And his friend. It's okay to be afraid. Okay, ready now? And bam! Super speed boosters! Rocky, ram! I'm going in! Let's see, which button? Shoot! Wait, are you saying what I think you're saying? Okay.
So you turned off the machine. Big deal. We're still trapped in here with no way to get out.
Don't be so sure about that. Yum! We can eat our way out. These donut eaters don't need your help.